hard time with the lockdown? Trust me, it's even harder for our kids. How do we actually talk with them on this and how to stay safe? Are they feeling scared? Does this create worry amongst them? Do they really understand what Corona or COVID-19 is? Do they know how to be safe? The answer to all these questions which has been troubling you is the Totto Corona Fighter Pack. It is a set of creative activities which will help your child understand what Corona is and how to stay safe. It contains a set of activities which helps your child understand what a virus is and how do they spread. It contains a set of activities which teaches them how to be safe with masks, social distancing and hand wash. And most important of all, it assures them that they have nothing to be worried and scared unnecessarily about. With each activity, you get one step closer to completing the Corona Fighter puzzle and finally making your child the victorious Corona Fighter. Happy learning with Totto at home.